Hey folks, picture this. There's one sneaky hormone in your body that's hoarding fat like a squirrel stuffing nuts for a never-ending winter. Yep, that's insulin, the ultimate energy gatekeeper turned saboteur. But hold on, what if I revealed that taming this beast could supercharge your energy, torch those stubborn pounds, and bulletproof you against those dreaded afternoon crashes? Stay glued, because in this episode, I'll arm you with battle-tested strategies, backed by cutting-edge science and jaw-dropping real-world turnarounds to master insulin and unleash your peak vitality. Welcome aboard, Wellness Waves, your ultimate podcast haven for surfing the seas of health, fitness, and holistic vibes that transform your mind, body, and soul. I'm Dr. Elias Sight, your passionate captain on this wellness voyage. New here? We sail out fresh episodes every week, loaded with pro tips, rock-solid science, and heart-pumping stories on nutrition, workouts, mindfulness, and self-love. Picking up from Episode 1's Metabolism Deep Dive, where we broke down how your body flips food into rocket fuel, today we're laser-focusing on insulin, the boss hormone dictating if you incinerate calories or stash them as fluff. We'll unpack its superpowers, its tango with blood sugar, and killer meal hacks for harmony. If you're wrestling with energy dips, scale standoffs, or craving that invincible feel, buckle up. This is your treasure map to triumph. Ready to ride the wave? Let's plunge in. Okay, team, let's kick off with the basics, demystifying insulin like peeling back the layers of an onion, but without the tears. What is this powerhouse? It's brewed in your pancreas, that unsung hero tucked behind your stomach, and acts like a VIP key card, swiping open your cells to welcome glucose, your body's go-to fuel, from the bloodstream. No insulin? That sugar's left knocking at the door, causing total mayhem. Imagine eating a slice of pizza. Within minutes, your pancreas detects the sugar surge and unleashes insulin to hustle it inside for use. Here's a fun analogy. Post-meal, blood sugar skyrockets. Insulin swoops in, barking orders to muscle, fat, and liver cells, absorb this glucose now for quick energy or stash it as glycogen for rainy days. It's the master conductor of carbs, fats, and proteins, flipping your body into build and store mode. But wait, there's more magic. Insulin juggles micronutrients too, making sure every bite fuels you optimally. For muscle fans, it shuttles amino acids for repair, explaining why athletes carb load strategically. Visualize insulin as your inner superhero, cape fluttering, a chain of amino acids that docks on cell receptors, sparking an energy explosion. Flashback to 1921, heroes Banting and Best unearthed it, flipping diabetes from fatal to manageable. Now it's not just for diabetics, it's your secret weapon for elite living. Pre-discovery, lives were cut short. Post, thriving futures. For us everyday warriors, nailing natural insulin control dodges future pitfalls. Value tip number 1, hitting that post-meal wall could be insulin hiccups. Try snack swaps like almonds and raspberries for smooth sailing. Details incoming. Fun fact, insulin fuels muscle gains too. Gym rats time carbs post-sweat to maximize this, adapted casually, like a protein shake with fruit after a walk. Story break. Meet Tom, my client in his 50s, convinced his drag was just getting old. We spotlighted insulin basics, ditching his sugary cereal for eggs, spinach, and avocado. Bam! Fog cleared, he was buzzing till dinner. Running his biz with laser focus, even sleeping like a baby. Tom's tale? Proof tiny tweaks spark massive shifts. What about you? Ever blamed age for zapped energy? Pause and ponder. It might be insulin whispering. Deeper dive. Insulin's got types. Basal for steady overnight hum, bolus for meal blasts. Basal keeps you even-keeled fasting. Bolus tackles eats. Curious about tracking? Gadgets like CGMs reveal your patterns live. Tech magic for custom tweaks. No gadgets? Awareness rocks. Hormone buddies. Insulin teams with glucagon, the sugar raiser when levels dip. Yin and yang balance. Too much insulin? Storage city. Glucagon lead? Fat-burning fiesta. Hack it with overnight fasts. Let glucagon party for slimming. Insulin's no foe, it's your buddy when steered right. Foundation laid, now watch it waltz with blood sugar in real life. Curious why your buddy devours pasta and stays ripped, but you glance at bread and gain? Insulin's the puppet master. Stick around for the effortless swap that flipped my clients' crashes to non-stop hustle. It could be your game changer. Shifting gears to the dynamic duo, insulin and blood sugar locked in an eternal tango. Gobble carbs, they morph into glucose, spiking blood levels. Insulin charges in like a nightclub bouncer, escorting sugar into cells, restoring calm. This glucose homeostasis keeps fasting levels 70 to 100 milligrams per deciliter, post-meal under 140, stray and alarms blare. Real-world ripple, that 2 p.m. desk doze after lunch, likely a sugar rocket followed by insulin's heavy-handed crash. Chronic spikes, hello insulin overload and belly fat fortress. Deeper, not just candy culprits, wholesome oats solo can surge, pair with nuts for mellow. Empowerment time, value incoming. Tip number 2, team carbs with protein or fat for slow-mo absorption. Avocado on toast, genius for steady insulin. Guzzle water, it fine-tunes levels calorie-free. Bonus, research says proper hydration boosts sensitivity 10%. Easy win. Target half your weight in ounces, 150 pounds, 75 ounces goal. Emotional surge. Recall Sarah, my weary patient, perpetually peckish on her sugar coaster. The weight loss worry? Gut-wrenching. But hacks handed her reins, uplifting. She logged meals via app, spotting trends. You can too. From hourly munchies to sustained spark, shed 15 pounds, her glow-up fuels my fire. Carb breakdown. Simple, candy blitz versus complex, oats slow burn. Tip number 3, fiber forts blunt spikes. Apple beats juice. Exercise nudge. Post-meal stroll drops sugar 20 to 30 points, lightening insulin's load. Muscles gobble glucose insulin-free. Brilliant. Story spotlight. Lisa, teacher pal, crushed by afternoon slumps. Revamped lunch to chicken and quinoa salad, transformed. Sharper with kids, zero grumps. Beyond abstract, insulin shapes days. Lisa's energy sparked better classes, even a raise. Chain reactions. Science scoop. Glycemic load factors portions. Tiny potato high GI, low GI if small. Tip number 4, apps like MyFitnessPal track it. Mindful munching, chew slow, sync with insulin. Sneaky traps, sugars lurking in ketchup, flavored yogurts. Labels, under 5 grams added per serve. Dehydration, thickens blood, hikes sugar. Sip up. Teasing tension, fine dances till habits sour. Spikes erode the groove, brewing storms. But with these gems, you're storm-proof. Section wrap, nailing this revamps routines. Energy steady, mood sunny, life upgraded. Imagine the tango twisting into turmoil. Insulin rebels, quietly wrecking havoc. Hang tight, we're exposing the shadows and your counter-strike arsenal. Tension peaks. Enter insulin resistance, where cells ghost insulin's calls, panicking the pancreas into overdrive. Result? Sky-high sugar, wipeouts, and diabetes loom. Sneaky onset, hitting 30% adults stealthily. Triggers? Visceral fat, couch life, carb overloads, genes. Signs creep? Endless hunger, neck dark spots, mystery gains. Genes unpacked? DNA fixed, but habits rewrite expression. Epigenetic empowerment. Emotional ride. Mike, dad client, chained by desk and fast food fog. Low vibe cycle, crushing. Worry waves high. But hacks? Walks daily amps sensitivity. Veggie, fruit, whole grain protein plates tame spikes. Mike roped family and walks, now coaching soccer, vitality king. Value loop. Tip number 4, ditch refined for low GI. Quinoa trumps rice, curbing demand, satiating longer. GI decoded? Under 55 low, berries, lentils, 70 plus high, bread, fizz. Hack? Lemon water over soda, GI zilch. Prevention plus, meditate to slash cortisol, resistance foe. 7 to 9 hours shut-eye,
Skimpy sleep surges needs. Supplements, berberine, plant power, mimics insulin, 500 milligrams 3 times daily, doc approved. Client chronicle, Emily, 40s, diet-defying creep-up, tests flagged resistance early, strength sessions bi-weekly, muscles glucose sponges, energy exploded, self-assured, low, control loss despair, high, command seizure. Emily meal prepped Sundays, ritual for wins. Testing talk, glucometers home track sugar, HOMAR labs gauge resistance, ideal fasting insulin, under 10 microunits per milliliter, numbers empower.
Depth. Inflammation from junk fuels fire. Turmeric, salmon, douse. Gut glow. Yogurt probiotics sensitivity saviors. Risks broaden. Age, heritage, some higher. Women's PCOS. Lifestyle reigns. 150 men exercise weekly halves odds. Emotion amp. Diabetes dread real, but reversals rally. Study 58% flipped pre-diabetes via changes. Hacks. HIIT zaps resistance quick. Teas. Smoothie low GI, spinach, berry world protein. Rogue revealed, but Intel equips. Prevention, optimization, not sacrifice. One tweak flipped resistance for client hordes. Craving cull, mood soar. Intrigued? Dead simple, en route. Empower surge. Dodge resistance with motion. Steady moves sharpen insulin edge. Weight watch, 5% drop miracles. Smoke quit. Sleep prioritize. Skimpy Z's spike woes. Breathe deep post-eat for digest sugar zen. 4, 7, 8. In 4, hold 7, out 8. Daily wins. Balanced insulin, energy even. Moods merry, weight waltz. Crashes history. Tip 5. Herbal teas over sweet sips. Blood support, no overload. Timing, 12 to 16 hour fast sensitivity spike. 8-hour eat window, ease in. Community vibe, practice shares recipe bonds. Low carb stir fry, broccoli, peppers, tofu, ginger. 10 men stir. Compound magic, year of balance reverses early woes. Research backed. Journal energy, mood, weight, progress fuel. Hacks galore. Weights build 24/7 glucose burners, squats, push-ups. Cardio mix maxes. Nuances, fish oil, omegas, inflammation tame. Magnesium, greens, spinach, insulin aid. Deficit link. Integrate, desk, hourly stands, walk talks. Home, dance jams, fun boost. Emotion high, clients reclaim me. Anxiety dips, joy jumps. Holistic, apps mindfulness stress bust. Dim lights pre-sleep. Loop closed, lifelong tools. Payoff prize for your stamina. Saffron chicken veggies demo. Low GI, slow sugar, insulin ease. Ingredients: 4 breast chicken, saffron pinch, broccoli 2 cups, zucchini 2, oil olive 2 tablespoons, garlic 3 cloves, lemon 1 juice, salt, pepper. Steps: saffron dissolve warm water. Marinate chicken, saffron, lemon, salt 30 min. Veggie chop. Oil heat. Garlic saute 1 min. Veggies add. 5 to 7 min crisp tender. Chicken bake 375 degrees Fahrenheit 20 to 25 min, 165 degrees inside. Plate chicken atop veggies. Marinade drizzle optional. Serving: less than 300 cal, 30 grams protein, 10 grams carbs, fiber full. Twists: vegan tempeh swap, cumin kick. Client crash fix, test, transform. Whoa, insulin odyssey. From guardian to gremlin, tools to tame. Key takeaways: rolls, sugar sink, resistance red flags, prevention power. Your health unlock. Episode 3 Thieves, thyroid metabolism mojo, glands energy turbo. Insights resonate? Like, smash. Sub for wellness surges. Comment, top energy foe? Your shares steer sales. Gratitude for wellness waves ride. Health horizons await. Dr. Elias Sight. Out. Thrive on.